वेलकम टू माय चैनल फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना, और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ताकि आप मेरे वीडियो सबसे पहले और सबसे जल्दी देख सके। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Hello, hi, Forever World. My name is Oni Mama Dumela, all the way from South Africa, and I am a Sapphire Manager in the business. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to recruit new customers in your business. Getting customers in our business is highly important as we need to create a good customer base for our business to run efficiently. So, number one, first thing to do is use the product. Share your personal experiences and your journey and the benefits of the products with other people. Be authentic. Be your own best customer. Add on at least 2 products on your personal use on a monthly basis when you are still starting until you utilize most products with your family. And number 2, understand and identify the challenges that people around you are having and provide solution for them. For an example, if someone is struggling with weight management, our C9 program might be the perfect solution for them. And number 3, have a plan in place on what you are going to do on a daily basis to get new customers in your business. Your daily method of operation. It's very, very important to have a game plan, a retailing strategy that you are going to follow on a daily basis. So number 4, leverage on social media. You need to be fit for social media, meaning you have to use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And also what works is the WhatsApp statuses. Use Facebook stories, use Instagram stories, share benefits and your experiences of the products. And most importantly, the testimonials of those who use the products, including yourself. Number 5, host events online and offline. So in your country, if you are able to do offline with few people around you, go for it. With regards to online, use apps such as Zoom, WhatsApp videos, Facebook groups to do product launches. Run fun competitions, fun quizzes online, and those who answer and participate in those questions, send them samples, giveaways to try so they can touch and feel our products. You need to build relationships everywhere, online, offline. Add value in people's lives. Be slow to speak and listen with understanding to be able to understand people's needs and provide them with solutions. For offline events, get the people to test and taste the product at events and give those free samples for those who attend. Number 6, touch your business daily. Know who you are contacting on a daily basis. Whether it is mom with kids, women and men's vitality, weight management, skincare, etc. But you must know who you are contacting and what needs you are addressing. Execute on your retail strategy every day. Number 7, it's very important to do follow-up with those who commented on your post, those who are participating, those who show interest in your products. And number 8, lastly, ask for referrals for those who said no to your products and those who buy your products. Make sure you don't take anybody off your list. It doesn't mean if they don't buy today, they won't buy tomorrow. So keep following up with them and keep them on your list. Just to wrap up, as a new person in the business, ensure you have a plan in place on how to execute the tips that have been provided for you. Your daily method of operation to recruit new customers and create a good customer base of regular customers of around 20 to 30 people in your business. And let me tell you, when you have a great regular customer base, your business will run even when you don't have a lot of people partnering with you as new distributors. New customers helps you to run a profitable business, and you get to see the profits immediately in your business. Your customers keep the business running, and this was evident in my own business during lockdown pandemic. A good customer base sustained my business. It is also easier to teach new distributors to find new customers in their teams, and this is easier to duplicate for them. I hope and believe this info is going to help you recruit new customers in your business and run a profitable business. All the best on building your businesses, and let's make 2021 phenomenal. Let us forever share our products with everyone. And my name is Ani, and I will do forever, and I am so forever grateful.